This is the first time I've ever seen it rain ashes from the sky here in West Los Angeles. Because of that, the air quality has been so bad, I haven't been able to take him out for a quick walk around the block or go for my evening runs. We've just been cooped up inside for the past week. And
there are fine particulates in the air that are of small size, 2.5 micrometers, much smaller than a human hair, that can be breathed in and lodge deep in your lungs and really cause health problems, especially in the short run for people who have health conditions. But there's also a lot of ash, debris, and dust as a result of burning of structures, houses, homes, cars. They can be quite toxic. They become a toxic form and they are in the ash, the dust.
They smell smoke, or if they're having issues breathing, wear a mask and move out of the area. Go to somewhere where it's clear. Right now we don't have any smoke, but it could easily turn around if we get those red flag warnings back and we get a new start even in the area. That's that could very well happen.
Okay. What happened here?
Drop 3,000 gallons of water on the head of this fire. And just tremendous to see that these resources are available. This one's actually based out of Van Nuys. And there you go. Boom, 3,000 gallons dropped at the head of the fire, trying to stop that momentum.